Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by selecting the correct tachometer type for the shaft. Contact for slow, non-contact for high speed. Attach reflective tape if using optical sensing. If contact, align the probe cleanly on the shaft. Once done, set the device to the expected RPM range and sampling interval so readings stabilize. Make sure you're at a safe distance and wearing eye protection. Prepping sensors correctly prevents false spikes and protects you from rotating parts. You now run the machine to a stable operating point and approach the marked area with the tachometer. For optical units, hold the beam perpendicular to the reflective tape and keep a steady hand. For contact units, press gently until the probe sits flush and avoid lateral force. Once done, take several short measurements, 3 to 5 bursts, and note values. By averaging these samples, you remove transient spikes. Make sure to wait between bursts, so the system remains thermally and rotationally steady. You finish by comparing the averaged RPM against the expected value or specification and logging the exact reading with conditions: load, temperature, and instrument mode. If readings fluctuate, try longer sampling or enable the tachometer's smoothing filter to reveal the steady-state speed. Make sure to retest after any adjustment and resecure the sensor. If problems persist, check battery and optical cleanliness. A dirty lens or low battery is the most common cause of erratic readings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.